মজিয়া মুখে রে বিষয় ছাড়িয়া ছাড়িয়া রসে মজিয়া বিষয় ছাড়িয়া রসে মজিয়া মুখে বিষয় ছাড়িয়া পশু পাখি ঝুরে পশু পাখি ঝুরে পাষাণ বিদারে পশু পাখি ঝুরে পাষাণ বিদারে শুনি পশু পাখি ঝুরে পাষাণ বিদারে अपन कर्म भूल जाए शाम अपन कर्म होरी है होरी अमर अपन कर्म होरी है अपना कर्म भूल जाए समन कहे अमर अपना कर्म भूल जाए समन ত্রিভুবনে পশু পাখি ঝুড়ে পাষাণ বিদারে শুনি পশু পাখি ঝুড়ে পাষাণ পাখি ঝুলে পাষাণ বিদরে শুনি যার শুনি যার Parama Karuna Pahudui Jana Nitai Gaura Chandra. This is a song sung by Lochan Das Thakur, a great devotee of Lord Chaitanya, almost contemporary. He wrote one book, Chaitanya Mangal, depicting the activities of Lord Chaitanya. There is a very famous book, Chaitanya Mangal. And he has composed many songs. Practically all Vaishnavas, they are transcendentally poetic. That is one of the 26 qualifications of the Vaishnava. So he says that these two lords, Nitai Gaura Chandra, Lord Nityananda and Lord Gauranga or Lord Chaitanya, they are very merciful incarnations. Sab avatar sarasilam. They are essence of all incarnations. The incarnation is stated in the Bhagavad Gita that whenever there is discrepancies in the prosecution of religiosities and there is prominence of impious activities, at that time the Lord incarnates or he descends on this material world for protecting the pious and annihilating the impious. That is the mission of incarnation. Every incarnation will find two things. Lord Krishna is so beautiful, so kind, but he is very dangerous to the demons. The demons were seeing him as thunderbolt, and the gopis were seeing him as the most beautiful Cupid. So, in the Bhagavad Gita also it is stated, Jijathamang prapadanti. The God is realized in proportion to one's freedom from the demoniac propensities. So, in this age, of course, the last incarnation, Kalki, he will simply kill. Long after he will come. But here Lord Chaitanya, his mission is no killing, simply favoring. That is the specific characteristic of Lord Chaitanya. Because in this age, of course, there is very much prominence of irreligiosity, but if Lord Chaitanya wanted to kill them, then there was no question of their salvation. They would be, of course, anyone who is killed by incarnation, he also gets salvation, but not to the spiritual planets, but they merge into the Brahma effulgence as the impersonalist desire. In other words, the impersonalist goal of salvation is as good as the goal of salvation of the enemies of God. That is not a very difficult job. So, Lord Chaitanya is merciful because he is embracing everyone by bestowing love of Krishna. Rupa Goswami has described Lord Chaitanya as the most beneficent of all the incarnations because he is giving Krishna to everyone without any qualification. So Ratan Das Thakur says that Parama Karuna Pahudiya Nitai Gaura Chanda, that they are a sense of all incarnation. Kevala Ananda Kanta, and their preaching process is very pleasing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommends you chant Hare Krishna, dance nicely, and when you feel tired, just take rest and eat Krishna Prasad. So his formula is very pleasing. Kevala Ananda Kam. While he was present in Jagannath Puri, every day in the evening, dancing was chanting and dancing continued. And after dancing is finished, he used to distribute sumptuously prasadam of Jagannath. So many thousands of people used to assemble every night. Simply transcendentally pleasing this movement, Kevala Anandakam. Then he recommends Bhajo Bhajo Bhai Chaitanya Nitai. My dear brother, just try to worship these two lords, Chaitanya and Nityananda, Sudhiva Vishwasape, with faith and conviction. One should have faith in the words of Lord Chaitanya. Lord Chaitanya says that go on chanting. Simply by chanting, one will get all perfection of life. So this is a fact. Unless we take to chanting, we cannot realize it. But those who are chanting, they are realizing that they are getting all desired perfection of life very quickly. So we should chant this mantra with faith and conviction. But the only qualification required in this connection, he says, Vishaya chhariya sirase majiya mukhe balo hariya. We have to chant with faith and conviction. At the same time, we should take care, we should be guarding against sense enjoyment. Vishaya charya. Vishaya means sense enjoyment. And charya means give up. One should give up sense enjoyment. Of course, in this materialistic life, we have got our senses and we have practiced to use them. We cannot stop it. But there is no question of stopping, but regulating it. Just like we want to eat. Vishaya means eating, sleeping, mating and defending. So these things are not forbidden altogether. But they are adjusted just to make it favorable for executing my Krishna consciousness. So we should not take just like eating. We should not eat just to satisfy the taste. We should eat only just to keep ourselves fit for executing Krishna consciousness. So eating is not stopped, but it is regulated, favorable. Similarly, mating. Mating is also not stopped, but the regulative principle is that you should marry and you should have sex life only for begetting children Krishna conscious. Otherwise, don't do it. So everything is regulated. There is no question of stopping defense also. Arjuna was fighting. defending under the order of Krishna. So everything is there. Nothing stopped. Simply it is adjusted for executing our Krishna consciousness. Vishaya Charya. We should not accept these Vishaya, these four principles of bodily demands, namely eating, sleeping, mating and defending, for sense gratification. No. The politicians, they fight for sense gratification. They do not see to the good of the people. For their political aggrandizement, they fight. That fight is forbidden. But when fight is necessity for defending people, that fighting should be taken. So we have to give up this principle of sense gratification or sense gratificatory process. Dakho dakho bhai tribhuvane nai. Then he says, just see, there is nobody else so merciful. Pashu pakhi jhure pasana vida. By his mercy, even the birds and bees, they are also melted. Actually, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu passed through the forest known as Jharikhanda in central India, he was only accompanied by his personal attendant and he was alone. And when he was passing through the forest, he touched one tiger. He was sleeping and the tiger answered, roaring. And the company, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's attendant, he thought, now you are gone. But actually, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked the tiger, why you are sleeping? Just stand up, chant Hare Krishna. And the tiger began to dance. So, actually, this happened when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preached this Hare Krishna movement. The tigers, the deers, everyone joined. So, of course, we are not so powerful, but it is possible that at least we have seen the dogs are dancing in Sankirtan. So it is possible also to take, but we may not attend such great risk. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu could induce tigers to dance, we can at least induce every human being to dance. This is such a nice movement. So Pashu Pakhi Suri Pashano Vidare. Pashana means stone. So even the stone-hearted man also melts by chanting Hare Krishna that we have experienced, seen. Pashana Vidare. Suni Jaro Gunagatha. Simply by hearing the transcendental pastimes and characteristics of Lord Chaitanya, even hard-hearted men, they also melted. There are many instances, Jai Madhai, many fallen souls, they become elevated to the highest spiritual platform. Then Lochanda Thakur says that Vishaya Mojiya Rahili Bhuliya. Unfortunately, I am so much entrapped in these demands of the body or the senses that I have forgotten the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vishaya Majiya Rahili Bhuliya. Sripade Nahilas. I could not desire to be attached to the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya. So why it is so? So he is lamenting that apano karama bhunjaya saman, that I am suffering the sequence of my past misdeeds, that I could not be attracted by the Krishna consciousness movement. It is a punishment on me by the Jamaraj, the superintendent of death. Actually, this Krishna consciousness movement, Sankirtan movement is so nice and attractive. Every simple, unsophisticated person shall be attracted. But if one is not attracted, it is to be understood that he is being punished by the laws of the superintendent of death. Anyway, if we stick to this principle of chanting, then even Jamaraj, the superintendent of death, he will also fail to punish. That is the verdict of Brahma Samhita. Brahma Samhita says, one who takes to this devotional life, his reaction of past deeds are adjusted immediately. So every one of us should take part in this movement of Krishna consciousness by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare.
Hare Krishna, everyone. Welcome you all for yet another beautiful song sung by and purport given by Srila Prabhupada. These songs actually Srila Prabhupada sings, especially the refrain, the first verse, the opening stanza of every song, which we call it as Pallavi also in Carnatic music. So that contains the essence of the whole song. And we see Srila Prabhupada sings that repeatedly multiple times. Unfortunately, from these songs, because they are very lengthy, we have to cut short these things. But otherwise, Srila Prabhupada, if you hear the original songs sung by Srila Prabhupada, they are all very meditative. Srila Prabhupada practically, you see, he meditates on each and every line of the song. So that is why these songs are written by the great acharyas, and today's song is by Lochan Das Thakur, right? So we will sing this song, and it's a very not so complicated song, simple song, but again it is in dotal, 6 beats. So the kartal is played as same as the last song, right? So it goes like this. Parama karuna Pahudoi jana Nitai Gaura Chandra
Parama Karuna
Is it audible now?
Jana Nitai Gaurachandra
Parama Karuna 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So the clap comes on 1 and 3. Okay, so repeatedly it goes. So it is 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12. So like this, these are the categorization of the beats, right? And in Mridanga it is called as Lofa Tal. Okay. There are two variations in this. One is the way we sang the first one, and the second one goes little lower. Bhajo bhajo bhai, like that. Okay. Parama karuna bahudoi jana Nitai Gaurachandra. Everyone can sing. Parama Karuna Pahudai Jana Nitai Gaurachandra. परम करुणा बहुदोई जन निताय गौरचंद्र ओ परम करुणा बहुदोई जन निताय गौरचंद्र सब अवतार सार शिरोमणि सब अवतार सार शिरोमणि सब अवतार सार शिरोमणि केवल आनंद केवल आनंद कंद केवल आनंद कंद परम करुणा बहुदोई जन निताय गौरचंद्र परम भजो भजो भाई चैतन्य निताय सुदृढ़ विश्वास कोरी ओ भजो भजो भाई चैतन्य निताय सुदृढ़ विश्वास कोरी भजो भजो भाई हाँ विषय छाड़िया सिर से मजिया विषय छाड़िया सिर से मजिया मुखे बोलो हरि हरि सिर से मजिया हरि हरि मुखे बोलो हरि हरि परम करुणा बहुदोई जन निताय गौरचंद्र देखो रे भाई त्रिभुवने नाय एमन दयाल दाता ओ देखो रे भाई त्रिभुवने नाय एमन दयाल दाता पशु पाखी झूरे पाषाण विदरे पशु पाखी झूरे पशु पाखी झूरे पाषाण विदरे पाषाण विदरे शुनि जर गुण गाथा शुनि जर गुण गाथा ओ परम करुणा बहु दुई जना निताय गौर चंद्र परम करुणा संसारे माझिया रोहिली पोड़िया से पदे नाही लो आशा संसारे माझिया रोहिली पोड़िया से पदे नाही लो आशा रोहिली पोड़िया आपन करमा भुंजय शमना आपन करमा भुंजय शमना कहो ए लोचन दासा करमा भुंजय शमना कहो ए लोचन दासा कहो ए लोचन दासा परम करुणा बहु दुई जना निताय गौर चंद्र परम करुणा सबअवतार सार शिरोमणि सबअवतार सार शिरोमणि सबअवतार सार शिरोमणि सबअवतार केवल आनंद कंदा केवल आनंद कंदा परम करुणा बहु दुई जना निताय गौर चंद्र निताय गौर चंद्र निताय गौर चंद्र निताय गौर चंद्र निताय गौर चंद्र. So in the last paragraph, Srila Prabhupada sings as Vishaye Majhiya Rohile Podiya. It's both the same. It's a synonym. Samsare Majhiya Rohili Podiya and Vishaya Majhiya. This samsara means Vishaya or the place for sense gratification. So in that sense, it is both the same. Samsare Majhiya Rohili Podiya Se Pade Nahilo Asha. And there are again two levels in this. परम करुणा बहु दुई जना. Here, Pahu, sometimes you may pronounce it as Pahu Duijana, some devotees do that, but here Pahu refers to, it's a Bengali pronunciation, Pahu refers to Prabhu. Actually, it is Parama Karuna Prabhu Duijana. Prabhu Dui means two. Prabhu Duijana means the two lords, two Prabhus. Who are they? Nitai and Gaurachandra. Saba Avatar Sara Shiromani. Sab Avatar, all Avatar, Narsimha, Vamana, Varaha, Parshurama, Rama. So among all those avatars, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu's incarnations are just like Sara Shiromani. They are the essence of all the avatars. And Kevala Ananda Kanda. They give only Ananda. Right? So, Parama Karuna Pahudoi Jana Nitai Gora Chandra. Please sing. Parama Karuna
Pudui Jana Nitai Gaurachandra
Sabavatar Sarashiromani
Sabavatar Sarashiromani.
So here one is you sing like this Sabavatar Sarashiromani. Another is if you want to sing it again you can sing it like Sabavatar Sarashiromani
Sabavatar Sarashiromani
Kevala Ananda Kanda
Kevalananda Kanda
Kevala Ananda Kanda
Kevalananda Kanda.
So here if you want you can take this small piece of akar Kevalananda Kanda Kevalananda Kanda. So this is how the first verse goes and the third verse goes. So second and fourth verse will be like this. Bhajo bhajo bhai Chaitanya Nitai Sudhrida Vishwas Kori Bhajo
Bhajo bhai
Chaitanya
Nitai
Sudhrida Vishwas Kori. Here also Kori. You can do this a little alap. Bhajo bhajo bhai Chaitanya Nitai Sudhrida Vishwas Kori.
Bhajo bhajo bhai Chaitanya Nitai Sudhira Vishasa Kori.
Vishaya chadiya sera se majiya. Vishaya chadiya
Shira Shemojiya.
Of course Matajis may be finding it difficult to follow this. You can reduce the pitch and you can sing this. Vishaya chadiya sera se majiya. Vishaya
Chariya Shira Shemojiya.
Again here also you can do a Visha because this is same. The second part, second two lines of each verse are sung same. So in that itself there are two variations. One is Vishaya chadiya, another is Vishaya chadiya, like this. Then Mukhe bolo Hari Hari also two variations. Mukhe bolo Hari Hari.
Kemalo Hari Hari.
Another variation is Mukhe bolo Hari Hari.
Kemalo Hari
So this the end of the few lines. We take this akar. This is actually the end of each line. It's actually you everyone need not drag it or take that alap. You can stop at this point. Mukhe bolo hari hari. You can stop at this point if this is difficult. Yeah, this is little complicated. Once you get the standard tune first, proper tune first, then you can try to develop on that. So this is how the third and fourth verse also will go in alternative tunes. Right? So this is a very beautiful song, one of my favorite songs. I used to sing this very often during the initial days of Krishna consciousness, and you can meditate on the meaning of these verses. Beautiful meaning. How merciful is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? How we have to give up sense gratification if we really want to relish chanting the holy names of Krishna. Right? So, thank you everyone for joining this session. Shri Nitai Gaurang ki,
Jai.
Lochan Das Thakur ki,
Jai.
Vishwaguru Srila Prabhupada ki,
Jai.
Nitai Gaur Premanande.
Hari Hari Bol.
Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Prabhu.